If you want to install the Discord app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, the process is quick and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through each step so you can get started without any confusion. First of all, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and swipe up from the home screen to open the app screen. Locate and tap the Google Play Store icon. If this is your first time opening the Play Store, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Discord. Press the search button on your keyboard and you'll see the official Discord app appear in the search results. Be sure to choose the app published by Discord Inc. to avoid downloading unofficial apps. Next, tap the Install button. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the application automatically. The installation usually takes less than a minute, depending on your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable mobile data connection for the fastest download. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Discord. If you already have a Discord account, tap Login and enter your email address or phone number along with your password. If you're new to Discord, tap Register and follow the on-screen instructions to create a free account. You may be asked to verify your email address before you can start using all of Discord's features. Once you're signed in, you can join servers, chat with friends, make voice or video calls, and customize your profile. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Discord app on your Samsung Galaxy and you're ready to connect with communities and friends from anywhere.